Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 11th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Macerich, a leading real estate investment trust specializing in high-quality retail centers across the U.S. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Macerich is a significant player in the retail real estate sector, and their latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 provides a lot of insights into their current performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Macerich reported total revenues of $249.8 million for the second quarter of 2025. However, they also reported a net loss of $40.9 million. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Certainly, the total revenue of $249.8 million is primarily driven by leasing revenue, which accounts for $232.7 million. Despite this, the company faced a net loss of $40.9 million, largely due to the absence of a significant gain from asset sales that boosted last year's net income to $252 million. This highlights the volatility in their earnings due to asset transactions.
EPS and analyst forecast. Moving on to earnings per share, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 34 cents, but Macerich reported an adjusted EPS of 33 cents. What does this slight miss indicate, John?
This $1 miss against the forecasted EPS of 34, based on a survey of 8 analysts, suggests that while Macerich is close to meeting expectations, there are underlying challenges, possibly in cost management or unexpected expenses, that need addressing to align with market expectations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the earnings miss, Macerich has shown some operational strengths. Can you elaborate on their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
Absolutely. Macerich's net operating income increased by 2.4%, and they achieved a significant 137% increase in lease square footage compared to last year. Additionally, new store leases are expected to generate $87 million in gross revenue, indicating strong leasing activity and potential for future revenue growth. However, the slight decrease in portfolio occupancy to 92.0% is a point to watch.
Balance sheet and capital management. Let's discuss Macerich's balance sheet and capital management. They reported $915 million in liquidity and a total debt of $6.88 billion. How is the company managing its capital?
Macerich is actively managing its portfolio through strategic acquisitions and dispositions. They recently acquired Crabtree Mall for $290 million and sold Atlas Park for $72 million. These moves, along with maintaining substantial liquidity, suggest a focus on optimizing their asset base and ensuring financial flexibility.
CEO/CFO statements and strategic initiatives. What are the key statements from Macerich's leadership regarding their strategic initiatives and future direction?
While specific statements from the CEO or CFO weren't highlighted, Macerich continues to emphasize its commitment to environmental goals and maintaining its #1 GRESB ranking for sustainability in the North American retail sector. Their strategic focus remains on high-quality retail centers in densely populated markets, supported by a consistent dividend of 0.17 cents per share.
Key takeaways. In summary, Macerich's second quarter of 2025 shows a mixed performance with strong operational metrics, but a slight miss on EPS expectations. Their strategic initiatives and capital management indicate a focus on long-term growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Macerich's performance. They have a solid foundation, but there are areas to watch closely as they navigate the current market conditions.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Macerich's performance in the comments below.